Today we're going to be installing the Lasfit interior floor mats for a 3rd gen Tacoma. The overall size difference of these two is drastic, let alone the thickness of the Lasfit liners compared to the OEM ones. For some reason, Toyota didn't think about the thickness and just overall coverage with these floor mats. Nonetheless, Lasfit coming to the rescue here. With these floor mats, you're getting a lot more coverage than you normally do with these ones, along with the fact that they are not going to lose their shape. Removal of your floor mats is stupid easy. You just got to unhook these 2 clips right here, like that, and the floor mat comes straight out. From there, go ahead and throw in Lasfit's liners. Should literally fit like a glove. You're going to line it where those 2 holes were that I showed you, and boom, that's it. As you can see, Lasfit's liners cover way more in the footwell than the OEM ones did, and these are going to be 10 times easier to clear than the OEM ones. Go ahead and get this out of here, and then go ahead and replace it with a Lasfit liner. Easy as that. Way better fitting. For the rear liners, it's literally just one big piece that this is, so you can just grab this, yank it out, and then replace it with the Lasfit one. When I tell you guys these fit like a glove, they fit like a glove. That's how these ones are looking. Just look how much more coverage that gets. It gets way under the seat more, comes up on this lip. That way you're not getting any liquids or any spills on here, and just protects your carpet way more than the OEM ones literally ever could. Overall, guys, it's a super easy install. You click a couple clips, throw them in, flip them back in. That's pretty much it. Way better than these OEM ones. With these OEM ones, they just lose their shape way too easily. As you can see how mine kind of started already. And then as they get older, it just gets like that. The Lasfit ones cover way more space and are generally just way better for any spills or any mud or anything that you're doing with the truck. Overall, just super impressed with the mats. Gonna see how well they hold up. But I'm considering that a lot of my buddies run these mats, I have zero doubt that they won't be able to take what I throw at them. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.